Okay, so let's go on the computer. There's supposed to be a new episode of SML. Let's search it up. Alright. Humpty Cody. Yeah, my friend said this. It's just a joke. What's this? Ooh. I can't wait to see it. Yeah, I can't wait to... What? What? What the hell? Why did they bring back the human puppets back? No! This is not fair! No! This is why I waited at 1.3. Oh my god, they bring the human puppets back! No, this can't be! I want to clock my phone. Ah! They brought the human puppets back! It looks weird. Ah! 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 Oh my god! Oh my god! They brought the human puppets back. Oh my god! I'm gonna call 911. No! I hate the human puppets! No!